Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to plant this Star Jasmine plant in my container here. This is my backyard and this is the back fence, which is basically west facing, so it gets lots of afternoon sun. And I have got this mesh wire in front of my fence, so I want to plant a climber here. So I thought I could plant a Star Jasmine, and I would give a shout out to West London gardener for inspiring me to plant this Star Jasmine in my garden. So basically Star Jasmine is native to Asia, and I always thought that it likes warm climate, but there are varieties which are hardy in UK and they can be grown along a fence or wall which is south facing and warm wall protected from cold and harsh winds. So I have this fence which is west facing, but it does get lots of afternoon sun. So I have got this apple plant here which I'm trying to train as fan shape. So you can see it is growing nice and well here. It is loaded with flowers and it is looking really beautiful and doing well. So I thought, why not plant Star Jasmine on this fence. So Star Jasmines grow really vigorous, like 4 meter high, 3 meter wide. So I have got this whole fence area for this plant to cover, and I would really like it to cover the whole fence here. Star jasmines produce really beautiful white star-shaped flowers, and when in bloom it's like a wall of white flowers. So I'm really looking forward to growing this climber alongside this fence, so it grows up this fence and basically cover the whole fence. And I'm going to grow this plant in this pot. Star jasmines do not grow very deep in the soil, so they are ideal for growing in pots. And this pot is nice and big. It is like 40 centimeter diameter, and I have filled it with half topsoil and half multi-purpose compost. And I'm going to add some fertilizer in it which has lots of phosphorus, so it will help with root growth. So I'm going to work the fertilizer in the compost, and then I'm going to place my root ball on the top of the compost, so it is in line with the original soil surface the plant is already in. So I don't want to bury it too deep, and basically I just want to plant it in the back part of the container so I can fill around it, and later on in the season I can underplant it with some annuals. So here this plant is looking really well, and it has already got a stake in, and the root ball is nice. So I'm going to position it along the back side of the container, leaving 3 to 4 inches gap from the side of the container so I can fill it with compost. So you do not want the roots to touch back of the container, so they can dry out. So I'm going to fill around it, and then I show you the end result. So I'm done planting my jasmine plant in this pot, and it is looking alright. It has got lots of new shoots which I can train up this mesh wire. So basically star jasmines do not require too much training. They are self-clinging, so they will find their way to the fence anyway, but I just want it to grow in the right direction. So I just want it to fill from this side towards the right of the fence. So I'm just trying to attach the new shoots to the mesh wire so they can find their way towards the right side of the fence, and hopefully it will grow fast and cover the fence soon. It is an evergreen, so it has really beautiful shiny green foliage, and the new foliage is lighter in color and the old foliage is darker in color, and it produced really beautiful star-shaped white flowers. So if you want to see this plant in full beauty, I would recommend to check out West London Gardener YouTube channel. I will include a link in the description box. And she has got a really nice video about growing Star Jasmine and propagating Star Jasmine through cuttings. And her mom has got a beautiful mature vine in her backyard, which is absolutely amazing. So I really wanted to grow a climber, and I think this is the perfect choice for this wall. And I am really looking forward to seeing it grow nice and vigorous, cover the whole fence, and produce beautiful white flower show which are absolutely fragrant. And this will give me a beautiful green wall to look at throughout the year. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it gives you plenty of information and inspiration to grow star jasmine in your garden as well. So please subscribe to my channel for further updates and do press the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.